Hello, all of you fabulous women. If you are in the beauty or the spa or the wellness industry, or even if you have a business that creates time with your clients and you don't currently have some form of an information product or a course that you can sell to your clients, a workshop, a Zoom call, or a weekend event, or even an online community where you're selling some form of knowledge, you are already being left behind. Hi, my name is Tammeron, and I'm a certified astrologer, a certified health coach, and the curator of Inner Lights Academy. And I'm going to encourage you to stay until the end of this video because I'm going to be brutally honest with you about how simple, quick, and easy this concept is that I want to share with you. And it will not cost you a dime, but just about under 10 minutes of your precious time. And the reason why is because I know how busy you already are, and you don't need one more thing to do every single day while running your business. However, I have created a powerful digital product that is so easy for you to talk about and to be able to share it with your clients so we can all create a win-win scenario that increases the traffic and potential extra income into your business. And it might even make you look more compassionate and caring. Plus, you're helping to educate the masses about the power of astrology and holistic wellness while we're in the cusp of the age of Aquarius. And you know what? This might wind up being the most exciting thing that you ever promote because it's already done for you. And it doesn't matter if you're an owner or an employee or what you're already selling in your business. But at the end of your appointments, you can reschedule the next appointment. You can ask someone to buy the products on your shelf. What is your profit margin on that? If it's low, I have another option for you. What if at the end of every appointment or while chatting with a client during a session, you say, hey, here in our business, we have a free monthly digital newsletter for women that can support you to help you align with your destiny according to the stars. That's filled with all kinds of great woo-woo stuff and free masterclasses to begin learning the basic elements of astrology and free monthly moon events for women and great contests with our sponsors that anyone can win so they can live a life that is authentic and more fulfilling. And more people can wake up every day feeling happy, validated, and appreciated for just being themselves. You can also share this digital newsletter with your family and your friends or anyone that you care about. Imagine how important and validated everyone around you will begin to feel. This is a simple, easy to use digital newsletter that arrives on the new moon every single month in your inbox. And all you have to do is just sign up to receive it and make sure you carve out time every single month to just like start scrolling through some of the amazing educational content about what's currently happening in the astrological sky and how it might be affecting all of us down here on the planet. And feel free to check out the short interviews to find out you can win great prizes each and every single month. Plus, you can sign up for the monthly events while being part of the community of other like-minded people, people that are recognizing that happiness comes from within and by being authentic. You have the opportunity to soar and to learn how to embrace the age of Aquarius energy that we are now living in that represents equality and compassion and empathy. And so many people have been triggered over the past few years to making decisions based on their intuition and the core values coming from their heart's desires that holds more value based on the energy of love. And when people walk the talk, they speak their truth, guess what happens? They begin to manifest their dream life and they meet other people who line up with the same core values based on what truly matters. And so many people are meeting soulmates in their personal or even in their business life. And happiness and joy is spreading despite what you might be watching or hearing on mainstream media. So, if you are ready for that unfair advantage over the other businesses in your area, or if you are ready right now to sign up for this free digital newsletter, or if you just want to check it out to see exactly what's inside before you start sharing with others so that you have more confidence to promote this digital product, I'm sharing with you that now is the time to add the digital newsletter to your business model and watch your business and your profits soar. And all you need to do is print out the ready to go beautiful flyer you can post inside your business, which you will receive once you had your first welcome email from me. And the best part of all is that your clients are going to come back to you and thank you for empowering them and changing their lives. So remember to just click the link below for more information about this powerful digital newsletter that is jam-packed with contests and short educational astrology videos and free masterclasses and healthy and fun recipes and so much more that helps everyone to align with their higher purpose and live a more joyous and fulfilled lifestyle. So see the link below to find out how you can add this to your business model and turn your business around forever. And expect miracles of love and light. And I just want to say thank you for listening and helping me spread more joy and love on the planet. And remember, many people are waking up now that we're in the age of Aquarius, making decisions based on love that stems from their hearts. So just register below to receive the next issue and remember to check your inbox. Cheers for now. Bye bye.